So let us see the grouping like now octants. So octants in the sense 8 ones. Okay, before we did with pairs, quads, now let us go with the octants. Octants means 8 ones. So with respect to two variable K-map, there is a possibility of only four ones, right? There is a possibility of only 4 ones. So it's not possible to make an octant. The maximum thing what you can do with respect to the two variable K-map is the maximum thing is quad, because only 4 ones are there. So to make an octant you need 8 ones. That is not possible with respect to two variable K-map. So now coming with 3 variable K-map. So if you want to make an octant, then the given minterm should be everywhere, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, everything should be given in the minterms within the brackets. So if you fill the complete K-map like this, then there is a possibility of octant, like whole thing. So this is the only possibility with respect to the 3 variable K-map. So the answer will be 1. So everything will get cancelled, the answer will be 1 here. So this is the octant with respect to the 3 variable K-map. So let me check the octants with respect to four variable K-map. So they will be given an expression like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is what 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the expression for this. Okay, this one, not for this one. So for example, if they are given a 4 variable some expression, so based on the minterms you're going to fill the K-map. If the K-map looks like this, so is there any possibility of an octant now? Is there any possibility? So so we have 4 ones here, we have 4 ones. If you roll the K-map, so this is a possibility of an octant now, like this. So this is an octant, 4 ones, 1, 4. These two are one group, single group. So what is an expression for this one? So when you make an horizontal group, like everything will get cancels, a bar, b bar and a b bar. So a bar a cancels, b bar is with the common. The answer will be y is equal to b bar is the answer for this expression. Getting? So now going with here. So 8 ones. So everything get cancels here. So a bar, b bar, b. So b bar, b get cancelled. The answer is a bar. So the y is equal to a bar will be the answer for this one. So look at here. So you have the, for example, if in the minterms, if in the brackets in your question, if they give the number from 0 to 15, all the numbers, then your K-map looks like this. So what is the possibility? You can make 2 groups, horizontally 1 and like this, horizontal 1, 2 groups, or vertically you can make. So you can make like this and this is also right, or else like this, this is also right, both are right. So if you make 2 groups like this, 1 and 1, 2 octants now. So what is the answer? Y is equal to 1. So when the complete K-map is grouped, by default the answer will be 1. So coming here, look at here. So we have 8 ones here, make a group like this. Okay, so this everything will cancel, C, D bar, C bar, D. So the answer is C bar. So the answer is y is equal to C bar here. Look at here. So I am going to make a group like this. Okay, everything will get cancelled horizontally. So a bar b, a b. So a bar a get cancels. The answer is b. So y is equal to b is the answer. So let me, if you roll this like this, then octant is possible. So concentrate on this and this. C bar, D bar, C, D bar. C bar, C cancels. D bar remains. Y is equal to D bar is the answer. Coming here. So let me go here. If you roll like this. So already done here. So the answer is y is equal to b bar. So the same thing here also. Y is equal to b bar is the answer for this one. So now concentrate on this K-map. So while after looking at this K-map, the first thing what comes to your mind is you're supposed to make this octant. Okay. So then what you're supposed to check? Is there any possibility of one more octant by overlapping or by folding, something like that? Is there any possibility? You need to think in such a way, like, so by overlapping, is there any possibility? No, there is no possibility by overlapping. If you fold like this now, if you roll like this now, this is a possibility, right? This is a possibility. 2 octants. 2 octant is better than 1 octant and 1 quad. If you make 1 octant group and 1 quad group, then it is wrong. You are supposed to make 2 octants. You need, if there is a possibility of an octant, so then also if you are not making it as an octant, then if you are going for a quad, then your answer is wrong. So what is the answer for this octant? AB bar, B bar cancels, A is the answer. A plus, what is the answer for this expression? This and this. A bar, B bar, A, B bar. A bar, A cancels, B bar is the answer. A plus B bar is the final answer for this one. So these are the possible types of patterns with respect to the octants, with respect to the 3 variable K-map, 2 variable K-map is not possible with respect to octant, and 4 variable K-map. These are the possible types. So here afterwards, we are going to deal with a K-map which contains octant, quad, pair and isolation. All those things within one K-map. Now you need to think in all the directions. First you need to think about octant. So is there any possibility of octant by folding, by overlapping and all those things? If there is no possibility, then you are supposed to think about quad. So is there any possibility of a quad? So how many quads? How many quads possible? So by folding, by overlapping. So even after thinking, if there is not possible, then you are supposed to think about a pair. So how many pairs are possible? So by folding, by overlapping, pairs. So even after doing that, even if the pairs is not able, then go with the isolation, single round mark. Okay. Then you are supposed to think, at last you are also supposed to think about the redundant groups. So you will be done with some unnecessary grouping. So that won't be necessary. So simply grouping also is wrong. Okay. Grouping should be done if it is necessary. Simply you are not supposed to make extra groups. Extra groups will increase the size of your expression. If the size of your expression increases, then there is no use of K-map. Your answer will go wrong. Okay. So unnecessary making up of groups is also wrong. So you need to make a minimum number of groups and your expression should be a minimum, smaller. So always give priority for octant, then give priority for quad, then give priority for the pair. Fine.